In this video, we are going to learn about how to add country code to your mobile numbers in Excel sheet. First, open your Excel sheet. Here we use a formula to add the country code in the Excel sheet. That formula is equal to double quotes 91 double quotes ampersand symbol A1. And next press enter key. By using this formula we can add country code to mobile numbers. And next if we drag it down like this, the country code will be added to all the mobile numbers. And next copy of the cell. Paste into the next cell as a numbers, paste as values. And next here mobile number should converted as a numbers by clicking on this symbol, convert to number. We can eliminate the point. Here select numbers, double click on this icon. Like this process we can add country code to mobile numbers in Excel sheet.